All right, guys, what's up? How's it going today? Sorry about the camera quality. It makes me look not the best right now, but you guys are here for the show anyways, so let's get it on the road. Today's date is now July the 18th. It's a Saturday. I'm traveling right now, so because of that, you guys are going to get this kind of quality from the laptop. I think it's very important for us to take a look at the market conditions currently right now and talk about the potential plays that are most likely going to come to fruition because it's been like that for the longest time so far. So why would it not continue to be the same way until proven otherwise? I still think that the 4 year cycle is actually in play, and every single direction is pointing us towards kind of the same thing right now. And by the way, I'm in Turkey, Istanbul, just kind of outside of the city a little bit. It's beautiful here. If you guys have never come to Istanbul before and you have some travel plans, I promise you that you won't be disappointed with Istanbul. So let's take a look at the market conditions and let's try to catch up everyone in a very timely manner and try to keep this video somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes maximum. Let's get it started. So it's going to be unedited because I don't have any editing software here really with me or anything for that. So it's going to be raw, exactly how it is. And so you guys know the 2026 bull run strategy guide that I've been working on secretly for the past 2-3 months now, it's finally released. I think we can all say that the bull market is very much so close to around the corner. And it's probably the perfect time to start studying for this. A lot of people have been requesting this. Every single bull market and bear market, I'm always adding a tiny little bit better, 4, 5, 6% more, 10% more, refining the strategies. And I really believe that this is one of the best courses, if not the best, that I've ever put out there. It's over 25 hours long. It teaches it from the very, very basics. It's unlike any other course that you've taken before, that I can guarantee. There's so much more examples out there, so much more definition in terms of explaining the theories behind it as well. Take a look at it, guys. It's 40% off for the next 2 weeks. I think anybody that puts in the time to start studying before this bull market begins, to actually have the information ready with lots of experience and exposure, it's going to help you down the road by far more than people that start studying at the beginning of a bull market. The first 200 people, you guys are going to get a 1 month complimentary pass to the Platinum group, which means for 1 month, you get to join me for live streaming every day where I show my desktop. Every single trade that I take, you're able to join me as well. Live Q&A. It's going to be one of the best sessions in terms of streaming for 4 to 6 hours a day to get the most visibility and to see exactly what I'll be trading. As you guys have been following me for a long time, we know that the profits can be significant in a bull market ranging from 500K to $1 million every single month from day trading alone. So come join me with the 1 month platinum group for a 1 month platinum pass. So take a look at it, guys, and let's get into the markets right now. So right now, Bitcoin is doing exactly what we have anticipated for a while now, okay? So let's take a look at this. I apologize if there's any lag. My apologies, guys. My internet might be lagging a little. Alrighty, the network connection is working pretty good now. So let's get into it. So I'm going to show you guys some of the historical trends about Bitcoin. And some of these things are very, very fascinating to see because they've happened over a tremendously long period of time so far. And because of that, it seems like it's going to be something that's fairly reliable. I can't even load anything. My apologies. I was on a VPN. That was why I wasn't really loading too well there at all. Okay, now that it's working perfectly. We've seen Bitcoin pretty much do the exact same thing, guys, for such a long period of time now that it's becoming funny and it's becoming very predictable. And I think that anybody that is understanding these types of market cycles, you're probably going to be handsomely rewarded. So let's just take a look at how Bitcoin has been trending, guys. And you're going to laugh at how this has been happening so far. And you're going to say to yourself, how is it possible that these things have been happening for such a long period of time? So I showed you guys these coincidences that I've been showing a lot of people recently. And I think if you put in the effort to truly understand these cycles, it's going to be rewarding. Just take a look at that. From the top to the bottom in this bear market cycle, it's lasting 365 days in 2017, 2018. And then if you take a look at the next bear market as well, it does pretty much the exact same thing from the very top to pretty much the bottom, about 365 days again. 1 year goes down. This one here goes down 84%, and then this one goes down 77%. So what if we were to drop in a very similar fashion around those percentages? So we go from there till about 2027. Go for about 1 year, the same thing. And let's say we drop down about even 70%. That's bringing Bitcoin down to about $38,000. And that's pretty conservative. I think we can get way lower than that even. We take a look at this expanding diagonal that forms over literally the period of about 10 years now, guys. It's not a small amount of time. 10-year trend. So what do you think is going to happen here based off of here? Based off of this expanding diagonal, I think that there's really two options, right? We find the bottom somewhere here and then we skyrocket, or there's a chance for us to get back to the downside over there. And if we end up dropping to the downside there, it's going to easily allow us to dollar cost average into a great position. I do apologize for coming back to the screen once in a while. I really wanted to update you guys. So you see that there's a possibility, and these paths, it's going to go one way or the other. If we take a look at this historical trend that's been happening for a very long period of time now, I think there's no doubt that there's a high likelihood of hitting somewhere here near that bottom before we begin the next phase. Even if we got down to over here, that could be a very catastrophic drop. Let's say we ended up getting to the lower end here with a 77% drop. That's still like a $28,000 Bitcoin, which would be heaven for us. I'm so excited to start day trading this. I mean, I'm thinking you guys are all the same boat as me, where we've all been holding out for a pretty long time now, and we've been trying not to take these high amount of risks because we're aware of the fact that the Bitcoin bull market is probably around the corner. Why take on a tremendous amount of risk right now when the market conditions are simply just not ideal for us to trade? I'm finding that maybe there's a random pump here and there. Maybe one or two or three or maybe four altcoins a week are just randomly pumping. Some of the ones that are pumping right now are coins like, let's take a look, USDT, US USDT, and also AIK. So these guys are just going parabolic. In a normal bull market, I would trade them, but not in the bear market, just because conditions are too unpredictable for me. And then there's other coins like US as well. And these are the coins that we've all called in the Bitcoin private group of ours, or in the Discord private group, where we're focused on education and also trying to find trades together. So in this upcoming bull market, I think it's going to follow a very similar trajectory of dropping potentially, we're guessing 70 to 80% like it normally does. I don't think that there's a high likelihood of Bitcoin not dropping at least 70%. One of the biggest historical trends that we've seen is probably going to be the weekly, okay, over here. You can see that on the weekly chart, it's never really broken before. Okay, so you take a look at the 2018 bear market, the weekly kernel has never, or sorry, super trend has never broken one time. The blue line, the blue is bearish. And then when the market flips, it flips after about a year. And then you're seeing the same thing here in 2022, same thing where it's now blue. And then once it flips to green over here, it just keeps trending for a long, long time. So because of that, I'm waiting for better days to both trade and also to start accumulating and dollar cost averaging. It doesn't make a lot of sense right now for me to accumulate in this particular range. But if we do get below the 50K ranges, we're going to start accumulating huge from 50K all the way down to wherever it goes. Every $5,000, the sizes are going to get huge. It's going to be put in spot. It's going to be held for a long period of time, because for the first time after being in crypto for 11 years, we finally have an understanding of the rhythm. And right now, the way that Bitcoin's trending is simple. It's like this. We're seeing that this is a wave that ended up finishing already. You can see on Elliott wave on a lower time frame that it started to show bullish divergence over here. We see that bullish divergence from June leading into July. In every single bull market before, they've trended a very similar way in terms of lasting about 1,060 to 70 days. In every bear market so far since 2018, they've also trended for a very similar period of time as well. So you see that the summers, they always end up rallying. And because they always end up rallying, this is what we're seeing. We see a 5 wave there with the bullishly diverging RSI. And now what we're seeing is the super trend indicator, it breaks to the green. And because it's breaking to the green, it's usually going to end up retesting it at one point or another. We see that in every single bull market, or bear market rather, we see that the daily super trend, once it gets broken, in the month of the summer, it ends up finding some sort of support on the green line. I think it's going to get maybe a little bit closer to it, but I do believe eventually we're going to get to around 70K maximum. So if we just historically take a look at all the summer months before, we can see that in the summer months, like for example, just in 2022 alone, we can see that in the summer, it ended up rallying about 43%. So 43% in the month of July as well, it breaks the super trend. And then what we see is something like this. We see a support candle, and then it does its very last rally, which leads into the capitulation phase in the late Q3, or Q4 rather, after Q3. So 2018 was no different. So because of that, we're going to use all of this historical data to try to make the same type of prediction. And these predictions are most likely going to be right. We have nailed these trades, guys. This one over here, we've absolutely nailed it. This one over here, we caught the top. This one over here, we caught the long on it. Here, we caught the long as well. So there's been 4 major calls in my Discord group where we've caught every single one of these trades. There hasn't been a mistake yet. And I'm very, very happy with that. Very proud of that. Hopefully these mistakes can be minimized in all markets, in the bear market, in the bull market. And just going forward, I think there's one last short opportunity left. The last short opportunity is most likely going to get somewhere up to the 70K ranges max, something like that. And let me explain why. Okay, so in every single bull market so far, they've lasted the same. Every single bear market, they've lasted very, very similar amounts of time as well. And I think that the trends in the summer are very similar as well. And the trends that rallied during the summer, in 2018, for example, it ended up getting to the golden ratio for the midsummer rally. In 2022, it got to 0.5 Fibonacci. I think that 0.5 is a very reasonable number, somewhere in that particular range. The reason why it would make sense to get to that range is because if you also take a look at the 4-day super trend indicator over here, you see that's exactly where it starts to level out. And this started to form a pattern since basically in June, like late June. And every single time, every summer, it either rallies to between here to there, or it rallies from basically between there, 0.5 to 618. So because of that, I think there's going to be a very high likelihood of us hitting around 382 and staying below this super trend. So if we get to those positions, I can guarantee you that a lot of short positions are going to be entered. I don't think we're anywhere close to a bottom. We have not even reached this capitulation phase yet. And this is why you guys follow me. I want to keep these updates very short, very concise. I believe that we're going to get to anywhere from 67.4K to 70K-ish. And then there's going to be the final capitulation phase leading to a massive drop that's going to shake the market. So for now, there's no positions that are going to be entered in a massive way, except for riding this super tiny short position right now, trying to target the daily super trend. Once this daily super trend ends up getting closer to it, there is going to be a long opportunity like how we've had a long every single summer thus far. So because of this, I'm very excited that there's going to be a potential long for a very short trade, a very short-term trade, small position trade, and then finally one last large capitulation leading to the accumulation phase that I expect will happen sometime between September and October and perhaps November as well. But the last thing you want to be is behind right now. You want to make sure that you're available to trade this kind of market. Make sure you're available to keep learning. I'm not going to make the video longer than it is right now. I do apologize for the quality of my camera and maybe my microphone as well. I hope to see you guys in the 2026 bull market. I've noticed that my camera's kind of sideways right now because the platform is not really even. Other than that, guys, I look forward to having a lot of you as my students. The first 200 people will get that platinum pass to come trade with me live in the platinum group when the bull market starts to begin. So use it when it's a very volatile month. I'm sure we're going to find tons of trades together where my desktop will be streamed and you'll see every single trade that I take. I'm getting so excited for the 2026 bull market, guys. We'll see you there. Bye now.